Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enter vibration settings on Samsung Galaxy A22. Let's go! Okay, so the first thing I will do is I will go to settings and then I don't even need to scroll. You press sounds and vibration and call vibration pattern. You can select pattern of vibration you want, vibration intensity, and you can here call vibration pattern. No, if I think I already pressed that, but it doesn't matter. You can vibrate while ringing. That's the settings for vibration. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.